Hey loves, this is Tyla and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another one of Tyla's first tries and we're making biscuits. So let's get into it. I'm going to first scoop off 2 cups of all-purpose flour and put it into the bowl. I'm going to be doing all of my dry ingredients, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and then I'm going to be whisking those together. I want to thank you guys for your continued love and support. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. Tell me if you like my content. Tell me if you have any ideas, all that good stuff. So as you guys can see, this stuff is a hot ass mess. Powders get everywhere. It's not realistic for you to think that you're gonna have a clean kitchen while you do this. I tried and it's still a hot ass mess. So again, I got this recipe from a combination of YouTube videos, and they suggested that you freeze your butter and grate it. But as you can see, this is my first fuck up. The bowl I grated it into was too small. Also, I took the sleeving off of the butter and it made it really slippery to handle. So don't do that. Start with a big bowl, which I do switch over to after cleaning and going through a lot of a hassle. So after that dramatic experience, I'm going to mix in my dry ingredients with my butter, and they said that you have to like mash it with a fork so that it becomes completely combined. So I did that for a while until I got like a really crummy type texture. Now I'm going to be adding my 1 liquid. I'm going in with 1 cup of buttermilk. So now I have to roll out my dough, but I don't have a rolling pin. So first I'm going to flour my surface area so my dough doesn't stick, and my hands as well so my dough doesn't stick to me. And I'm going to start folding out my dough. So what I read also was that you should just gently pat it with your fingertips and fold opposite ways. So I did that about 7 times, I want to say, and then I started cutting out my biscuits. I think I did a little boo-boo here and added too much flour to my rolling station. Y'all, I almost forgot to butter my pans. Ugh. another important tip that I learned in the recipe was you should allow the biscuits to touch each other so they help each other rise. So these are my biscuits straight out the oven. I'm gonna go in with some melted butter and coat the top for some added flavor. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with my outcome. I'm feeling a little 3 for 3 right now with my TYLAH'S first tries. This one was super simple, like the others, a lot less ingredients. And yeah, my family loved them, so we're gonna see how they open up, nice and flaky. Super soft, warm, fluffy, all that jazz. Butter and jelly is how I prefer my biscuits. Thanks you guys for sticking with me to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, here goes some didn't make the cuts.
Like what?
Rip it in half like that. You were supposed to. No, the flaky layers. You're supposed to rip them parts of. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, it looks mutilated in the back. Oh, so we just gonna lie to the people? Okay, this is going in bloopers. Hold on, you just filmed me, okay?